Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're looking at the AIPER Experts Duo, an advanced robotic pool cleaning system that combines a robotic pool cleaner with a solar-powered pool skimmer to keep your pool looking its best with minimal effort. If you've ever wished your pool could practically clean itself, this system is designed with exactly that goal in mind. So, is this product really worth buying? What do all of its smart features actually mean in everyday use? And why is it becoming such a popular choice for pool owners? One of the biggest highlights is AIPER's AI-powered navigation technology. Instead of moving randomly around the pool, the cleaning robot intelligently analyzes the pool layout and plans efficient cleaning paths. According to AIPER, its AI patrol system can deliver cleaning up to 10 times faster by detecting debris and optimizing its route instead of repeatedly covering the same areas. That means less wasted movement and more consistent cleaning every cycle. Another impressive feature is the 7-day hands-free care system. The robot learns from previous cleaning sessions while also considering factors such as pool size, weather conditions, and debris patterns to automatically optimize future cleaning schedules. Instead of manually deciding when and how often to clean, the system handles much of the planning on its own. The included solar-powered skimmer brings another level of convenience. Using solar seeker technology, it automatically recharges itself in sunlight and can continue operating throughout the day, helping keep the water surface clean without requiring constant charging. Since surface debris is removed before it sinks, it reduces the workload for the underwater cleaner and helps maintain clearer water between full cleaning cycles. For underwater performance, the cleaner uses AI vision combined with advanced distance sensing to navigate efficiently across the pool floor, climb walls, and clean along the waterline. Side jet technology helps stabilize movement while maintaining thorough contact with vertical surfaces, allowing the robot to clean difficult areas that often collect dirt and algae. Filtration is another important part of the package. The multi-layer filtration system captures everything from larger leaves and twigs down to much finer particles, helping improve overall water clarity while reducing the amount of debris circulating through your pool filtration system. The design also helps prevent collected debris from escaping back into the water during operation. Smart parking adds even more convenience. Once cleaning is complete or the battery becomes low, the cleaner automatically moves to an accessible location, making retrieval much easier than searching around the bottom of the pool. In real-world use, the biggest advantage is consistency. Instead of waiting until the pool becomes noticeably dirty, both robots work together to keep debris under control every day. That means less manual skimming, less vacuuming, and more time actually enjoying the pool. So why has the AIPER Experts Duo attracted so much attention? It's because it combines intelligent AI navigation, continuous solar-powered surface cleaning, complete floor-to-surface coverage, smart scheduling, and automated maintenance into one coordinated system. Rather than relying on a single robot to do everything, each unit focuses on its own specialized task, delivering a cleaner pool with very little day-to-day effort. If you're looking for a premium robotic cleaning solution that automates nearly every aspect of pool maintenance, the AIPER Experts Duo brings together advanced technology, intelligent cleaning, and everyday convenience into one impressive package.